Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak marinade. First, understand that a good marinade does two things. It tenderizes your steak and infuses it with incredible flavor. It's a simple blend, usually involving an acid, an oil, and a mix of seasonings. This process is key to achieving a juicy, flavorful steak every time, making a noticeable difference in your cooking results. Let's dive into the essential components. Every great marinade starts with a few key ingredients. You'll need an acidic component like apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice to help tenderize the meat. Next, an oil such as olive oil or vegetable oil adds moisture and helps distribute flavors. Finally, the flavorings are crucial. Think minced garlic, fresh rosemary, black pepper, or a dash of soy sauce for umami. These elements work together perfectly.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying these tips on making steak marinade, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel. And on another note, for all you book lovers, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading your favorite recipes or novels anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once you have your ingredients, mixing is simple. Whisk everything together until well combined. Then, place your steak into a resealable bag or a non-reactive container, like glass, and pour the marinade over it, ensuring the steak is fully coated. For optimal flavor and tenderness, marinate your steak for a minimum of 30 minutes. For deeper flavor, you can marinate it for up to 24 hours in the refrigerator. The beauty of making your own marinade is the ability to customize it. Don't be afraid to adjust the ratios of acid, oil, and seasonings to suit your personal preference. Try different fresh herbs like thyme or oregano, or even a pinch of red pepper flakes for a kick. A little sweetness, perhaps a teaspoon of honey or brown sugar, can also balance the flavors beautifully. Make it your own signature blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.